Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and I want to show you this WeatherGuard Defender Series ladder rack we have installed here on our Ford F-150 pickup. Now, one of the great things about this ladder rack is it's universal. It can go on basically any full-size or mid-size truck. So it's going to be your half-ton, three-quarter, one-ton trucks, as well as your mid-size trucks as well. As long as it has a bed rail where you can clamp underneath it, it's going to fit. This does have adjustment in the actual crossbar, so it's going to accommodate varying widths of your truck bed. Then of course you can mount these two crossbars at any location that you want to on the bed rail. So a very universal product. It's going to work with basically every truck. Now this is an all aluminum product, so it's going to be weather resistant, avoid rust and corrosion and all those kinds of things. It is a DIY assembly, so it comes to you packaged very nicely in a box. It's going to require some assembly just to get everything put together. This is going to be on the lighter duty side of ladder racks from WeatherGuard. This has an 800-pound capacity. Between the two crossbars, it's going to be evenly distributed weight, which is on the lighter end, especially for WeatherGuard where they have their HD level ladder racks for trucks. But this is going to give you all the capacity that you need for basically your ladders. By the way, it does include some cargo stops for mounting your ladders on top of those cross rails. It does have a little channel on top there if you wanted to add some additional accessories as well. And it's going to be super simple for mounting any of your components that you need to add. Now, again, it does have those cargo stops which come with it, but if you wanted to attach, your bike racks, your cargo carriers, or anything else like that, you do have a nice crossbar there to attach to. Now, installation of the rack is actually pretty simple. Once you have it assembled, you do have 2 bolts per leg that clamp underneath the bed rail, so it's going to be super simple to remove it as well. So if you don't need this full time in the back of your truck, you can just, with 2 bolts per leg, get that unbolted, remove it, put it back in place when you need it, rebolt it, and all of that. It's going to be about 10-15 minutes to get that put on or taken off. Now, most WeatherGuard products come with a limited lifetime warranty. This one is one of the exceptions. It does have a 3-year warranty, but it is built with high quality components. It's going to last you for a very long time. Now, if you're looking for this ladder rack or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Yeah, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.